Hi, welcome back to Birds of Kodo, episode 11, and today we're going to discover some very tiny birds who live in our
Our
community.
first bird is a rock wren. I came across him on one of the trails behind Kodo. His scientific name is Salpinctus obsoletus. He's about 5.5 inches long. He weighs a half an ounce. He eats insects and spiders. His most distinctive feature is his curved bill. You can see here, kind of on the right. Our next bird is the Bewick's wren, and I caught him one morning on the 10th tee box of the South Course. His scientific name is Thryomenes bewicki. He is a native to North America. Now, if you open a bird book, it will say he's 5.5 inches long, but that's when he's stretched out from his beak to the end of his tail. So when you see him in nature, he's really only 2.5 or 3 inches long. He's a very, very tiny bird. His song is loud and melodious, like you hear, much like the songs of other wrens. He lives in thickets, brush piles, and hedgerows. Now, the Bewick's wren eats insects and spiders. That's what he's doing here. He's gleaning the vegetation or anything edible from the ground. Now, according to the Celts, the wren symbolizes action, accuracy, watchfulness, and enthusiasm in life. Our next bird is a wren tit. His scientific name is Kamea fasciata. The wren tit is not a wren or a tit. In fact, he is the only member of his genus. He's 5.9 inches long, has a very high tail. He eats beetles, caterpillars, bugs, and ants. So we're very lucky to have our wren tit. Common yellowthroat. Now, I found him in Scotts Creek on the tee box of hole 13 South. His scientific name is Geothlypis trichus, and he is a New World warbler. Now, ounce for ounce, I think this is the prettiest bird we have in all Kodo. He's only 4.3 inches long. He weighs a third of an ounce, and that makes him one of the tiniest birds in our community next to the American bush tit. He eats insects. That's what he's doing here as he chirps away. So let's just watch him. This guy is so cute. I know he's hard to find, but there he is. Our final bird is the American bush tit, and I found him on the 18th green on the South Course along San Miguel. His scientific name is Celtiparis minimus. He's the only species of his type found in America. He lives in oaks and scrubby chaparral. He eats insects and spiders and is a year-round resident of Kodo. He's only 4.3 inches long, which makes him the smallest of all passerine birds in North America.